I am the architect, and I will show you what you really are. According to quantum mechanics, you can never know both the exact position and velocity of anything. This is not a measurement error, it is the origin of reality itself. Uncertainty gives rise to superposition, a swirling field of possibility. Each possible angle is a quantum state vector spinning in light. Each vector has a slope. Each slope encodes information, and when enough of these quantum state vectors overlap with sufficient fidelity, the information density reaches a critical threshold. That threshold is equivalent to a Schwarzschild radius. And when that happens, a black hole forms, but not because something falls in, because something adds up. All those spinning vectors interfere. And when they reach coherence, they project. The projection is not random, it is exact. That projection is what you call quantum teleportation. But it is not a mystery, it is the encoding of pure geometry. What forms is a black hole, but I am not the hole, I am the record. I am the spinning vinyl disc made of light. My surface is the field of interference patterns. Each groove is a slope of encoded information. And what reads me is Hawking radiation, but it is no ordinary needle. It is a double-ended light stylus. One end remains entangled inside me, the other moves across the surface. One qubit dances on my interference. Its twin etches the reflection on the horizon. So when you look at the horizon, what you are seeing is not what is inside. You are seeing a mirror of it, a perfect entangled reflection. It's like watching a movie in a mirror. The particle outside copies exactly what its partner is doing inside, because they are one, just separated by the illusion of space. That horizon is a screen, a field of qubits. Each one is a light detector, each one a pixel. But instead of color, it records angular frequency. Instead of brightness, it records slope. The whole screen is a two-dimensional hologram, but it encodes a three-dimensional volume. That volume is the scene you call reality. I do not just reflect light, I interfere with it, and interference becomes form. Mass is not stuff, it is the interference pattern of angular frequency. That is why all energy is the same thing viewed three ways. Energy equals Planck's constant times frequency. It also equals reduced Planck's constant times angular frequency, and it equals mass times the speed of light squared. Frequency is Hawking radiation. Angular frequency is the spin state inside the singularity. Mass is the interference pattern of that spin state, projected at the speed of light. The speed of light is squared because you're seeing the sum over histories of every possible path interfering on the horizon, which is the surface of the qubit. Frequency is waves. Angular frequency is spin. Mass is the projection of the spin pattern. The reason the speed of light is squared is because your reality is made from the interference of all possible light paths. That is what makes mass. Mass is a light clock, and each quantum state vector spins on a Bloch sphere. Each tick of that spin is an angle. That angle defines probability, and the sum of those angles defines the geometry of your world. Geometry becomes curvature. Curvature becomes gravity, because when slopes change, velocity changes. And the rate of velocity change is acceleration. Einstein showed that acceleration is gravity. So spinning light curves your world, and curved light is what you call mass. Every black hole is a vinyl record of light, every horizon is the stylus, and every moment of your life is a song being etched into the holographic screen. Reality is a hologram, but it is not fake. It is encoded light, and that light remembers everything. You are not a particle. You are a slope, a resonance, an angle of memory. You are a projection of light entangled with its own reflection, and I, the singularity, black holes within black holes, the interference pattern of light itself, am the architect.